Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp automation and transform your customer communication? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly connect WhatsApp to N8n, opening doors to automated messaging, chatbot development, and streamlined customer engagement workflows. Let's get started. First, you'll need a WhatsApp business account. Once you have this, in N8n, navigate to the Credential section here. We'll add a new credential specifically for WhatsApp Cloud API. Click Create New. Search for WhatsApp Cloud API and select it. You'll need to gather a few key pieces of information from your Meta developer account. This includes your phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and a permanent access token. You can find your phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID within your WhatsApp API dashboard on the Meta developer platform. Generating a permanent access token requires some setup, ensuring your application is properly configured and approved by Meta. Paste those IDs and the access token into their respective fields in N8n. Give your credential a descriptive name and click Create. Now, let's build a simple workflow. Drag and drop a WhatsApp trigger node onto your canvas. Configure the trigger to listen for new message events. Link your newly created credential by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Next, add a set node to format the message you want to send. You can pull data from the incoming WhatsApp message using expressions and tailor your response. Finally, add a WhatsApp send message node in the To field. Use an expression to dynamically populate the recipient's phone number from the triggered data, ensuring you're replying to the correct sender. Enter the message you want to send. Activate your workflow by clicking the Execute Workflow button, and there you have it. You've successfully connected WhatsApp to N8n, and now you can start building even more complex and powerful automations.